Hello and welcome. In this short video I wanted to show you a really useful shortcut on a dashboard. So you can see these 3 dots on the dashboard for each section. If you click on the dashboard next to business bank account, you will see new options such as find account transactions, bank statements, you can spend money, receive or transfer, and as well as a shortcut for reconcile account, which would be their specific business account. Set up any bank rules or look which bank rules you already have. Go directly to reconciliation or import a statement manually with Excel file. On the account watch list, again, if we click on the right hand side, we can add an accounts watch list. Those we set up in chart of accounts by going to the nominal account itself and show the dashboard. We have an option to add the budget column and edit the budgets itself. As you can see, I have 2 accounts, so it's the same option for the second account. And now to edit a dashboard, you need to go on the right hand side, and here you'll be able to show or to hide certain elements on the dashboard by unticking those options. Once you've completed, save changes. I hope this was useful. Do have a look at my online courses, and I hope to see you in my course. Thank you.